Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check it out. I needed a transmission jack, and the guys over at VEVOR were there to help. So we are going to unbox this thing. It is heavy. 42 kilograms, it says, is the net weight, which puts it at about, just shy of 100 pounds, really. And it came in really good condition as far as the box is concerned. You can see they've got straps on it, extremely well taped. So what I'm going to do is we'll get all the parts laid out. I'll go ahead and assemble it with you. One of the reasons I picked this one, and you can't see it, it's a little off screen here. My Harbor Freight mid-rise scissor lift has a total height of about 48.5 inches. This gets down to 33 inches, and I did the math and I was like, yep, that'll be just right. Just enough to get the transmission down and out. So that's what this is going to get used for. Let me go ahead and lay it flat, and we'll start cutting this thing open, and hopefully it's not too complex to put together. They've been pretty good. The stuff that they usually send is nice stuff. I have their 2-ton cherry picker. Oh wow, okay, so really nicely packed actually. Go ahead and get this out. Alright, just looking at the quality of this, it seems to be pretty decent. The paint is, it's paint, it's not powder coat. Okay. Alright, well here we are, we've got it all laid out, and first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to attach the feet, or the wheel rollers to my legs here. We'll go ahead and get those installed. It looks like 3/4 inch, and it comes pre-assembled. You've got your lock washer and your regular washer. I'll get all 4 of those started, and you'll see 2 of these are locking, but all of them are swivel casters. If I sound a little different than usual, I got the flu. Man, I have been sick. This is day 6, day 5, something like that. No more fever today, but whew, tell you what, that takes a lot out of you. A lot out of you. I'm feeling my age. I love that little tool there, that Snap Fresh 20-volt 1/2 inch impact. It's a really teeny electric impact, but man, is that thing great. It's just perfect for this kind of job. All right, so I've got these huge Allen bolts, and these bolt through here and into the side of this base. Those are big boys. And I don't know what size those are. They look like maybe 10s. I'm not even sure I've got that size here at the house, but we're about to find out. All right, so I can attach these, but I don't have, these are 12 millimeter Allen heads. I only go up to 10 here with the kit I got at the house, so I'm going to hand tighten these, and then I'll have to go back once she's fully assembled and tighten them back down. Shouldn't be a problem, but obviously something to be aware of. It does not, you know, a lot of these tools come with, they'll come with the, or a lot of these kits here when we're buying something like this will come with the tools you need, but I'm not surprised they're not including something as large or as expensive as that, because that would definitely add to the cost of the kit. But I'll go ahead and get those tightened down as much as I can. Okay, well, next up we got this piece here, which sits in here, and I need to loosen these brackets a little bit. It actually sits a little lower than it is right now, but you can see where it fits on there. And it's kind of like spring tension. It's an interesting setup here. That looks like, ooh, I don't know, I think it's a 13. So it sits in there like so, right below that lip. Man, maybe I should have waited to film this one, huh? I'm feeling a little off. There we go. Okay, cool. All right, let's see here. Now we've got our top plate here. It looks like some assembly still required on this. That looks like a 12. Let's see. All right, then that just sits up on here like so. And there is another one right here that you need to tighten down. Although you don't want to tighten it too much, you do need to snug it up some. Right, there we go. Cool. Now this plate, you got 2 screws here. This one. And then this one's the up and down for the back. So we have two levels of tilt. Nice. Okay. And then up here on top we've got these 2 brackets. They're going to sit here. These are our adjustables. And again, these are, you know, they have a big slot here to move in and out. So they can be adjusted in a variety of ways. Then you've got these pieces here. Each side has one of these and one of those. If that's probably a terrible way to describe it, but one side is a hook and one side is a chain. And these are going to go on here. And we're going to kind of leave those loose. You can see how I'm going to install that. Each side, well, let's say we'll put both our hooks on this side. Okay, well, we're getting there. Last piece is this piece. This has a roller head on it. That's going to sit on that. There we go. What an interesting design that is. Huh. I mean, it works, but I tell you, I guess you know, you set it up like that, you never have to take it apart again. That being said, I think I could have come up with something better than that. Oops. Well, here it is, all assembled and ready to go to work. Rolls around pretty easy. You can see the overall height is extremely low, which is what I was looking for. I mean, they do make some 2-stage ones. This is a single stage because I don't need a very high amount of lift. What I do need is very low clearance. Now we have our adjustments here. That's going to rock this thing this way. And we have another adjuster here. That's going to tilt the transmission this way. 2 chains, but like I said, I'd probably have gone a little bit farther with those chains. I might have given it a little bit more room than that, but other than that, that's not too bad. Now these things here, they're adjustable as well. You can take these loose. You can see they're kind of, you can see the bevel here and the bevel here. That's not by accident. You flip these things around, sit them upright, and now you have like a cradle to hold the transmission in place with. So there's a lot of options, you know, when you're taking the transmission out. No 2 transmissions are the same. Your conventional rear-wheel drive transmission, which is all but extinct, that's what this is going to be the easiest device to use on. But for front-wheel drive, there's always modifications you can make. In fact, I'll probably drill a hole or 2 in this plate here and add a bracket that I make myself for the transmissions that I do. But overall, I like it. I would say, you know, it moves pretty easily on the concrete floor. The foot pedal to pump it up, I'll go ahead and raise it all the way up. Because that gives us our full height. This is far, I'll have to back the camera up here. Let me back out a bit. It's still going. Okay, so full height, I'm 6'2", and I would say that's probably 5'9", maybe even a little bit more than that. That's up there. And of course we have our adjustments, but as far as the main unit, it's sturdy, it's stable, right? Flip our lever, and we're going to start losing our pressure here. Of course, you know, it's acting a little jittery right now, but it has no weight on it. With weight, this would come down smoothly. Cool. On the front here, the VEVOR information. 5-ton hydraulic top telescoping lift, or 0.5 ton, sorry. And then the open and close, made by VEVOR. I'll leave a link to where you can get one of these, and hopefully by the time you see me next time, I'll be feeling a whole lot better than I am today. Till next time, my friends, take care.